Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop Life360 from tracking your location if you need privacy or a break from sharing. So let's get started. First of all, step 1 is to pause the location sharing. Open the Life360 application. Then make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then click on the setting gear icon at the left side. You will see at the top your setting gear icon. Simply click on that. Now here go to the location sharing. As you can see, here is the option called location sharing. Click on that. Then you can toggle off location sharing for specific circles. This way only the circle you want will stop seeing your location while others remain active if needed. You can turn off the location from here, as you can see. Now another step is to turn off phone location. Go to your phone settings. If you have app, go to the phone settings and search here location, and you can simply turn off the location. On Android you can also switch to battery saver or airplane mode to prevent background tracking temporarily. Step 3 is to log out or delete the application. In Life360 application, go to the settings, and at the below you will see the logout option. You can simply log out from there, and that's it. Now you know all the ways to be not to be tracked on Life360. Use this responsibly, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.